Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 5. Video part 1. Question number 1. Which of the following fractions should be added to 5 by 7 such that the resulting fraction becomes 7 by 5? ठीक है, तो ऐसा कौन सा नंबर हम 5 by 7 में ऐड करेंगे जिससे हमारे पास सम 5 by 7 हो जाए, सॉरी 7 by 5 हो जाए. तो how can we find out? We just subtract 5 by 7 from 7 by 5. ठीक है. After taking the common denominator as their LCM, 7 5s are 35. ये हो जाएगा आपका 49 and ये हो जाएगा आपका 55. तो 49 minus 55, it will be your 4 to 24 by 35. Is there any answer? Yes. It is in the option number A. First answer is option A. Okay. Come to question number 2. There are 40 students in a class. 3 by 4 of them attended a picnic. How many students did not attend the picnic? So 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 of 40 has attended the picnic. So when we simplify it, 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. So 30 students have attended the picnic. So how many of them have not attended the picnic? So 40 minus 30, that is your 10 students. So 10 students has not attended the picnic. So second answer will be A. Question number 3. A cake weighing 2 kg is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay. Then again each part is divided into 4 equal parts. To find the weight of each part. So first we can see answer is in gram. So what we will do? We will convert 2 kg as gram. We know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kg will be equal to 2000 gram. Okay. It is divided into 5 equal parts. So 2000 divide by 5. So we will get 5 4s are 20, 400 gram. And this 400 gram is again divided into 4 equal parts. So 400 divide by 4. That is your 100 gram. So 100 gram is in option number C. The third answer is option C. Okay. Come to question number 4. The distance between two stations is 25 kilometer. A train starts from one station and goes 15 kilometer towards the other station. What fraction of the total distance is left to covered by the train? So see, there is first station, there is second station. This is station 1, it is station 2. Its total distance is given 25 centimeter. Sorry, 25 kilometer. 25 kilometer is given. 15 kilometer the train has traveled. So we can just write from here to here. It is 15 kilometer. Okay? We have to find the fraction of the rest distance. So what will be this distance from here to here? It will be your 25 minus 15. That is your 10 kilometer. So 10 kilometer is left. We have to find the fraction with the total. So 10 upon 25 after simplification with 5, we will get 2 by 5. It is in the option number C. The fourth answer is option C. Question number 5. A man sold half of his land. Okay. He gave 1/2 of the remaining portion to his son. What fraction of the total land is left with him? तो one part of land, देखो, half of land he sold. So if he has one as whole, so he sold half of them. So 1 minus half equal to half. Again, the half of the remaining he just given to his son. So to his son, he has given 1/2 of half. ठीक है, that is your 1/4. 1/4 he has given to his son. So remaining will be 1/2 he has after selling, and then 1/2 minus 1/4. So he has 1/4 of land now. Option C will be the correct answer. Fifth, C. Question number 6. Represent the shaded part in the following figure as a fraction and multiply the fraction with itself only. So shaded part. So first write first count the total number 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. So it is your 12 is your denominator, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is the numerator. We have to just multiply this fraction with itself only, 4/12. So how can we simplify? 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So it will be your 1/9. Okay. It is available in the option number C. So sixth answer will be C. Question number 7. If A equal to 5/15 minus 3/15, B equal to 4/5 minus 3/5 plus 9/5, and C equal to 4/5 minus 9/15 plus 6/15, then find the value of A plus B plus C/2. So first simplify A. 5/15 minus 3/15, that is your 2/15. ठीक है. B equal to 4/5 minus 3/5. So from here to here it will be 1/5, and 1/5 plus 9/5. It will be your 10/5. 10/5 after simplification you will get 5 2s are 10. B equal to 2. Now C equal to 4/9 minus 9/15. So we will just do the addition first. We will add these two, because if in this side left of this number there is nothing mentioned, no sign mentioned, it means it is plus. So this is your positive number, this is your positive number. So first add this two. So it will be your 10/15 and minus 9/15. So it is your 1/15. ठीक है. तो C equal to your C will be equal to 1/15. Now A plus B plus C. So 2/15 plus 2 plus 1/15. We know we cannot add, subtract or compare a fraction without making it equivalent fraction with the same denominator. But this 2 has not the same denominator. It has the denominator as 1. So we can write 2/15 plus 30/15. I have multiplied 15 with the numerator and denominator both. ठीक है. तो ये हो गया आपका 30/15 plus 1/15. So now it is your 33/15. After simplification with 3 11s are, 3 5s are. So it will be your 11/5. Okay. Now we have to find A plus B plus C/2. It means when we, by 2 means division. So A plus B plus C/2, we can just write 11/5 divide by 2. That is your 11/5 multiply by 1/2. This is your 11/10. ठीक है, it is your 11/10. It is in the option number A. The seventh answer is option A. Okay, now come to eighth question. A is twice of B. पहले A is twice of B, तो A equal to 2B. ठीक है, if A is 12/15, then find the value of A plus B. A is 12/15, तो आपका B क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? B इक्वल टू A डिवाइड बाई 2, है ना? A है आपका यहाँ पर 12/15 डिवाइड बाय 2 इक्वल टू 12/15 multiply by 1/2. 2 6s are 12 and 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So 2/5. ठीक है, now we have to find A plus B. A plus B equal to 12/15 plus 2/5. Make it as the common denominator. 12/15, 6/15. So 18/15. After simplification, we will get 3 6s are 3 5s are 6/5. It is in the option number D. Eighth answer is option D. ठीक है, question number 9. This number of plants have been planted along a road side in a row. ठीक है, every fifth tree is a mango tree. हर एक fifth tree जो है वो आपका mango tree है. Represent the mango tree out of the total tree as fraction. Every fifth tree means what? 1/5 of what? This number. So actually this number is little bigger number. Just copy the number here. 5 6 4 5 6 5 6 5 6 5 6 5 0. Let me count the digits so that I can check it is correct or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Yes. After dividing it with 5, so when we divide it with 5, so 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 nines are, 5 ones are, 5 threes 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 are, and then 0. The fraction will be your this number, suppose it is A and A by the whole number. This is suppose B. So this upon B. So where it is 1 1 2 9 1 3 1. We have to just check 1 1 2 9 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 0 upon 5 6 4 5 6 5 6 5 6 5 0. Okay. Check the other one. ठीक है. It is 3. No. I think option can be your A. ठीक है, तो 9th answer is option A. Okay, now come to the question number 10. Which one of the following numbers should be multiplied by this such that the resulting number can become 5/6? Multiplied by what? है ना, इस नंबर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे so that you can get 5/6? So to find that number, what we will do? We will just divide this number. So 15 by 36 multiply by what number equal to 5/6? So this what number will be your 5/6 divide by 15/36. That is your 5/6 multiply by 36/15. 6 6s are 36, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Answer will be 2. It is in the option number A. So 10th answer will be A. Question number 11. A is a fraction. When A is added with 7 by 15, the sum becomes 3 by 5. Find the value of A. So A plus 7 by 15 equal to 3 by 5. So A equal to 3 by 5 minus 7 by added with इतना sum becomes ठीक है 15 ठीक है तो 5 3s are 15 3 3s are 9 5 3s are 15 minus 7 by 15. I made this fraction as the equivalent fraction having denominator 15, so it will be your 2 by 15. It is in the option number A. So 11th answer is option A. ठीक है ठीक है Question number 12. Find the perimeter of the following figure. So what is the perimeter of the figure? Perimeter is length of the outside boundary. ठीक है तो length of the boundary here it is given the length of the different sides of this shape. So what we will do, we will just add all the shapes. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 plus 4 by 1 plus 5 by 4. So can we make this 4 by 1 with multiplying 4 as with numerator and denominator both? So it will become your 16 by 4. Okay? Now add all of the number. 3 plus 3. 9. 9 plus 5. 14. 14 plus 16 it is. 14 plus 3 plus 3, 6. Sorry, not 9. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 5. 11, 11 plus 16. So 11, 11, 6, 17, 17 plus 10, 27, 27 plus 5, 32. So 32 by 4. Okay? 4, 8s are 32. 8 centimeter. Answer will be your option A. 12th answer is option A. Now question number 13. Which one of the following option is true for this? Let's solve it. 575 upon 207. Here it is division. I will just write it as the multiplication. So 1 by 5. Now simplify it. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. Okay? Now it can be divisible with any number. So yes, it will be. It is divisible with 23. 23 is the factor. So 23 nines are and 23 fives are. Okay? So it will be your 5 by 9. Option number A. 13th answer is option A. Question number 14. Which one of the following fractions should be subtracted from 9 by 15 such that the difference becomes 11 by 20? So from 9 by 15 means 9 by 15 minus, suppose that fraction is a box. I have written here a box. And difference is your 11 by 20. So what will be the box? Box equal to 9 by 15 minus 11 by 20. Okay? LCM of 15 and 20 is your 60. 60 as the LCM. So 15 4s are 60, 9 4s are 36, 23s are 60, 11 3s are 33. So 36 minus 33, it will be 3 by 60. So 3 20s are, it will be your 1 by 20. It is in the option number B. So 14th answer is option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.